Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a pre-order update. One is going to be here at Kickstarter, and it's for something called the Kinder Trauma. We know what scared you. So yeah, so you got until 27 days, so you better get it like now. Better start doing it, funding it like now. All sorts of pledges, pledge without award. $1 for thank you, 20 for digital copy of the film, and DVD and digital copy of the film. That's 30 bucks, 20 bucks, 40 bucks for the Blu-ray and digital copy, $50 for DVD and poster, 60 for Blu-ray and poster, $100 for ultimate bundles, which will come with if I scroll too fast, pause it very carefully and read it. Okay, 500 for advisory board member. Pause that very carefully, folks. As quick as you can. Whoa, that's a lot. Whoa, baby, look at that. So yeah, the link is going to be in the description box down below for Kinder Trauma. And what is it about? It's about documentary about horror films. Look at that, clowns. Anybody scared of clowns when they were children? Let me know in the comments. So childhood is a time for innocence and growth and horrifying realizations. Well. You got Sandy King Carpenter, Brian Usna, American McGee, video game designer, and who else is interviewed? Josh Rubin. So yeah. All the cast you got from Sandy King Carpenter, Ernest Dickerson, Rusty I can't even say his name right, but he directed Tales from the Hood, good film. And what else? Brian Usna, who did Reanimator, and more will be announced. So here's all the stuff that you're going to be getting. Oh, yeah, there it is, folks. What you saw, what I was telling you about. There's the documentary. And what did scare you when you were little? Let me know in the comments down below. I know I had my share of some scares as a kid. Probably not gonna mention it. All right, let's get to CPA. CPA, y'all. 2 more guests just popped up at CPA Authentics. Let's go. All right, next up we got. Well, look at that, folks. Chris Casamassa and Francois Petit from the world of Mortal Kombat, who played Scorpion and Sub-Zero in Mortal Kombat. So for the so this is going to be on March 31st, folks. So here, if you want to know something. So yeah, if anybody wants anything, here it is. Okay, 8x10s is going to cost you around 45 bucks. Yes, 8x10s will cost you 45 bucks. 11x14 is going to cost you $50. 50 bucks, folks. Keep that in mind. 11x17 of the posters. Oh, it's a good promo poster, and I believe a cover art poster. So yeah, how do you want it? Here it is. Quote from the film. That's going to cost you $60. The 11x17 poster. The 12x18, same thing, $60 because it's bigger. A Scorpion Funko Pop's going to cost you 95 bucks. An official Trick or Treat Studios Scorpion mask. Now that's going to cost you 115. The Funko Pop's 95 bucks. Okay, for the Francois, that was for the Chris Casamassa. Here's for the Francois Petit. All right, let's take a look at that. Oh shit, my fault, folks. That's not what I meant. Oh boy. Oh boy, what did I do? Let me see. All right, folks, never mind. I think that was a mistake. So for the Francois Petit is going to end on the 20th of March. So for anyone interested, let's see the price. 8x10 is going to cost you about 45 bucks. 11 by 14 photo, $50. 60. 11 by 17 poster, 12 by 18, 60. Funko, same price as it is. You can see it there. And the Trick or Treat Studios, same price. So that's for the Scorpion. Is it the Scorpion mask? What was he known for? I know. Yeah. Oh yeah, Sub-Zero actually. Huh? It's a Sub-Zero mask. So the Sub-Zero mask is going to cost you $115. So read it very carefully, folks, and tell me what if you're fan. If anybody here is fan of Mortal Kombat, it's going to be there. And if you want the dual signed together, so let's check out the price. 8 by 10 is going to cost you $90. Look at that carefully, folks. And the one right here is definitely the new poster art that we got from 2021's Mortal Kombat. I don't care. That movie whooped ass. 11 by 14 is going to be $105. Oh, that's different. Okay. $105 for 11 by 14. 11 by 17 is going to cost you about $120. Again, poster. Same thing, $120. Okay, Lambert and Woodruff Jr. I believe those were the makeup artists. Christopher Lambert and Tom Woodruff Jr. were the Christopher Lambert, yeah, you know him as the teacher in the Mortal Kombat, the original one, who got cast as the, what was the character he portrayed in the film? Dang, it slipped my mind, yo. He portrayed, okay, Christopher Lambert played the hero Raiden, the character with long white hair, like the teacher in Guardian Angel of some kind. And then Tom Woodruff Jr. did the effects of the makeup, including the Goro villain robot in the film. So yeah, makeup effects artist and actor. So here it is right here. Look at it very carefully, folks. These two are Beckett authenticated. So yeah. Whoa. Zoom. Tom Woodruff Jr. and there's Christopher Lambert. Christopher Lambert and Tom Woodruff Jr. Well, all Beckett authentication and woo-wee. $220. Wow. These are just the image choice with the two signatures. And so that's the 12 by 18. And then there's an even bigger poster. Oh, sorry for that, folks. That is out of stock. So yeah. So, links in the description box down below, folks. In the description box down below. So anyways, y'all, this is Barky Marky Marks. Signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. Enjoy Sunday, y'all. Catch you on the next vid.